Hey there, what do Tinder and online trading have in common? I'll tell you. Today we're going to explore the question of why most traders quit within 30 days and what you can do to become one of the few champions who keep at it. But before we start, I want to say thank you. Our channel is growing and I love to see it. Let's maintain this momentum. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So, trading apps. They show you hundreds of faces and you can't help but think, oh, all those people are there just for me. So close and ready for a meeting. But they're not. It's an illusion. Many fall for it. And I'm not ashamed to admit I did too. There is a similar illusion involved in online trading. You see price charts and you think, oh, all this money is right there, up for grabs. But it's not. It's not just there to be taken, it needs to be earned. And that takes skill and effort. This illusion is very subtle. That's why it's very rarely spoken of. But it definitely contributes to the sad statistic of online trading quitters. How does this misconception hurt your trading, you might ask? It changes your mindset. You'll start seeing the market as a grocery store. Don't be light. Instead, be tactical, technical, and ready to learn. Change your mind to learning mode. Now, what's that learning mode? First of all, take advantage of the demo account. Most traders skip it because it's boring. The money isn't real, the vibe is different, there's just no excitement. This is just another mental trap that many traders fall right into. And just like the Tinder trap, this one also goes unnoticed. Here's the problem. Many traders treat online trading like gambling. Not only because they keep hoping for that one lucky win that will bring them incredible fortune, but also because they mostly seek excitement. They crave anticipation, a head rush, that feeling of butterflies in your stomach. If you think of it, it doesn't really make sense. Why would anyone willingly take a ride on an emotional roller coaster? Yet many do just that. Then they lose money, then quit. So, how can you stave off this temptation? I'll do it for you right now. Choose a pill. If you go for the blue one, your trading career will be filled with excitement, but not much else. If you go for the red one, you'll get bored at times, but you'll make actual progress. So what's your pick, blue or red? If you chose the red one, welcome to demo. It won't be fun, but it'll actually teach you something and set you on the right path. There is another thing that demotivates traders and leads them to quit early, and that is profit. Surprising, isn't it? This mental trap is as sneaky as the previous two, and here's why. Many traders tell themselves, if I make profit, I will continue trading, but not just any profit will do. Traders who think this way want impressive, dazzling profits, that kind that feel truly rewarding. But unfortunately, in reality, profits are rarely impressive in the first few weeks of trading. So, those traders lose their spirit, then their money, then they quit. So, how can you avoid this last mistake? You can't talk yourself out of it really. So here is a small technical tip for you. Stop thinking of profit in terms of hard cash. Think of it in percentages. For example, $5 of total profit over a month. Doesn't seem significant at all, does it? But if it comes from a deposit of $1, that is much more impressive, isn't it? That's what I'm talking about. Forget about rupees, dollars, or euros. Think of your progress in terms of percentages relative to your account balance. So, let's sum it all up. First, the market is not a grocery store, so don't treat it like one. Instead, be prepared to learn and go the distance. Second, online trading is not gambling, so don't expect the thrill of roulette. Instead, be disciplined, use your demo account, and secure your boring and steady gains. And finally, stop thinking of your progress in terms of hard cash. Instead, think of your progress in percentages relative to your account balance. So that's my thoughts on why most traders quit and what you can do to become one of the few who stay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that just makes me feel good. And watch this video to learn to trade easily. And this one to learn about indicators best suited for trading in 2026. See you!
Olymptrade, care that counts.